Cost of poor quality is a major cost driver for manufacturing and could be as high as 30 to 40% of their revenues. Manual inspection is error prone and leads to bad quality products reaching end customers. Augur AI's optics first AI-enabled vision systems is a complete system with optics, artificial intelligence, and automation. It's a robust vision system that ensures no defect leaves the factory. Nasscom COE for AI and IoT out of IIT Gandhinagar has been instrumental in getting us going with our visual inspection solution for manufacturing. Joining the Growth Accelerator has been one of the best decisions we took. The entire team of Nasscom COE has been hand-holding us during our journey and have provided valuable mentorship. Nasscom's team has guided us in every aspect, including go-to-market strategy, pricing, industry connects, paid pilots, networking, and engagement opportunities. Their technical inputs have helped us sharpen our pitches and technical proposals.